Hello, traders. Welcome to this beta test of a new feature that I'm planning on adding to Timing Research. My name is David Kosmeter. I'm the creator of Timing Research, and basically I'm just going to go through the report that I just published and give more of an explanation of what the report is and what it covers. And if you're new to Timing Research, or if you don't understand part of the report, hopefully this will help. And you might know the report is the basis for the Monday show that I host, where I have usually 3 to 5 trading experts on to actually go through the report and discuss the different questions. So what you're seeing right now is the PDF version of the report that I just published. And I'm also now actually providing the report in blog format on the Timing Research website, so you don't have to download the PDF to get the full report now. So for this video, I'm going to go through the blog post version. But once you come to the site, you can click on the PDF link to download the full PDF too, if you would prefer to read it that way or print it out to do that there. So if you're new to Timing Research, basically every Friday for the last almost 5 years, I have posted a survey where I've asked just a few quick questions, and I've asked my subscribers to fill out this quick survey. First question is always the same. Which direction do you think the S&P 500 will move this coming Monday, from Monday's open to Friday's close? And everyone can answer higher or lower. And so this week, almost 68% believe that the S&P 500 is going to move higher next week. And the purpose of this whole project is to ask a large number of traders to use whatever, of all different skill level and different trading methodologies, to use whatever means they want to make a educated guess or prediction about what the market's going to do next week. And then I collect all that data and publish it as the report, so we can all learn what other traders are thinking about for the coming week, and get ready for the trading week. So 68% almost think it's going to go higher, and about 32% lower. That's a relatively large difference. And I always ask to rate your confidence and see the averages here. Higher average response was about 68%. Average for lower responses was about 60%. So higher average confidence on the higher side. 57 response submitted this week. For the last 6 months, the average was a little over 50. And then also, what I do every week is I take these results and compare them to the full history of the project. Last week's sentiment was 65, almost 66% higher. Crowd forecast indicator prediction was about 58% chance higher, and the S&P 5 did close 1.36% higher. This week's majority sentiment we just talked about, almost 68% higher. Similar conditions have been observed 13 times during the life of this project, with the majority sentiment being correct 62% of the time. Based on that history, that is why I, with the crowd forecast prediction, am estimating 62% chance that the market will go higher this coming week. So below that, you can see some stats. Then we get into the open-ended questions. Question 3 is the same also on the survey each week. What specific reasons do you think the S&P 500 will move in the direction you chose? So first, I list all the answers for people who chose higher. So you can go through here and read what people were thinking about why they think the S&P 500 is going to move higher. Get some possible trading ideas there. For lower responses, you can see what people who chose lower thinking. Great way to use this is if you think the market is heading lower, come in here and look at why people chose higher, and maybe get some ideas about things you need to research or contradictory opinions, basically, and help you make a better decision, or some ideas about things you might have missed that are going on this coming week. Question number 4 on the survey is different each week, so it might be another type of prediction question, it might be a news-related question, it might be just a general trading related question, but this week is what are your primary trading and or investing goals for the second half of 2018? A lot of interesting responses here. Check out the report yourself and read through these. It might also spark some ideas for what you want to do with your own trading and investing in for the rest of the year. Question 5, also the same every week, just a place for people to add some additional comments, questions, suggestions. That is it for the main report. Be sure to join us tomorrow for the regular Monday show. That's June 11th, 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And you can always go to TimingResearch.com/live to watch the live shows. Jim Kenny will be on. He's a regular guest. Michael Filagera is moderating. He's also been on many times before. Jane Galena will be on for the second time. So she was on for the first time a few weeks ago. She's doing a live event this month called Modern Traders Summit. Be sure to look that up. A lot of good presenters that are going to be providing information on that event. And then Tuesday, Analyze Your Trade, episode number 38. I created this show with Dean Jenkins of FollowMeTrades.com. He's off as moderator for this week, but Matt Buckley will be back as moderator. Along with Christian Fromhertz and Mike Bassani. They are all regular guests on the show and always give out a lot of good information. Also, a new page on the site that you should check out is the podcast page. I've always just published the shows live on YouTube, but I'm working on setting up the shows to be available as audio-only podcasts as well on all the major podcast platforms. So if you listen to podcasts, you'll probably be familiar with one of these. Just click on the one that you're most familiar with. And if you are not listening to podcasts, I would definitely recommend checking it out. I'm subscribed to 167 trading-related podcasts. So there's a ton of good ones out there. I was listening to Crypto Bobby while I was working on the report tonight. There's another one called Better Systems Trader that I've listened to. There's 52 Traders. Another one that's really good. My friend Michael Gass at Day Trade Safe was recently a guest on 52 Traders, so be sure to check that out. And there's just a ton of other good ones. That is it for this. If you like this explanation of the report, let me know and I will probably start doing this every week if that's something that is helpful. Thanks everyone.